Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a cool video with this 3D cartoon effects in CapCut. So in here, I've already opened the video that I want to edit on my CapCut. So I want to change this person face into a 3D cartoon effect. So if you want to do the same, just go to effects and tap on the body effects, and then here swipe through the category and click on roll, and under here you can see there is this cartoon face option. So tap on that, click on the check icon, and this is the result. So your face will automatically change into a cartoon like this. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.